Okay, the first thing I'd recommend is just simplify this function, and that's 2. I'm going to factor 2 out from the top, 3 out from bottom, and I would get 1 over 1 plus x. I'm going to further simplify because I'm going to take derivatives. 1 plus x to the minus 1. Now let me write down f prime of x. Well, it looks like minus 2/3. 1 plus x to the minus 2. Let's write down f double prime. And what's that going to be? Well, it's going to be 4/3. 1 plus x to the minus 3. Let's write down triple prime. And you could do this for a long time, but they get a little tedious over time. But this is a simple derivative. What are you going to get there? It looks like you can get minus 4. 1 plus x to the minus 4. All right, and what I'm going to do now is start to evaluate this at the where it's centered, at 0. So f of 0. F of 0 is going to be 2/3. I'm going to put down f prime at 0, and that's going to be minus 2/3. I'm going to do f double prime at 0, and that's going to be what? That's going to be 4/3. And f triple prime at 0. What's that going to be? Minus 4. All right, I'm ready to write down the Taylor polynomial. And so I'm going to write down T3 now. T3. Okay, so it's going to be 2/3. That's f of 0. Plus, I'm going to simplify that a little bit later, by the way. Let's see. We're going to do f prime at 0. That's minus 2/3. And then it's going to be x to the first power. Plus, well, what do we get over here? We're going to get 4/3 now, divided by 2 factorial, times x squared. And it's going to be plus, we'll simplify this later, minus 4 over 3 factorial times x to the third power. I don't need the parentheses on that. X cubed. All right, let's write this down. 2/3. This will be minus 2/3 of an x. What do you get there? You get 4/3 divided by 2, which is 2/3. And then what do you get over there? You get minus 4 over 6. 3 factorial 6, right? That's going to be minus 2/3. X cubed. All right, this is T3. Let's look at the key and see how we did. And what I mean by that, did we get the terms we want? Did we get the 2/3? Did we get minus 2/3 of an x? Plus 2/3 of an x squared? And then minus 2/3 of an x cubed. Things are working as advertised. Thank you.